Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am sharing some very useful shortcuts that every Windows user must know. So let's start the video. The first one is about copy and paste. While using any website or blog, if you want to copy some important data, normally you will copy a line and paste it wherever you want, and then you will repeat this process. And then from that clipboard, you can decide what to do with that copied material. So to access your clipboard, just hold your Windows key and then press V, and you will see your clipboard will appear on the right corner of your screen. Here you will see all the material you have recently copied from a website. Now the second one is about multitasking on a single screen. If you want to open different tabs on a single screen of your laptop, then this shortcut is for you. Simply hold the Windows key and then press Tab key, and your screen will split into different tabs at the same time. This trick is very useful when you are multitasking on your laptop. Now the third one is about taking a screenshot of a specific part of your screen. Simply press Windows plus Shift plus S key together and then adjust the cursor at screen where you want to take the screenshot. Moving towards the fourth one is about incognito mode. Mostly you have to go through different methods to open incognito mode, but this trick will save you a lot of time. While your Chrome browser is open, just hold Shift and then press N key and you will enter the incognito mode. Now fifth and the last one is a very useful trick. Most of the people use third-party screen recorders for recording their screen, but we already have a built-in screen recorder in our Windows laptop. Just hold Windows key and then press G and you will access your screen recorder. Now you can easily record your screen with this built-in screen recorder. I hope you like the videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.